counterattacks with a sharp scratch. The two curl up into a ball of fur, rolling endlessly. Watching the cats fight and growl is both funny and fierce. They're probably fighting over a toy or some territory. Do your kids often argue like this? Serene, or be gentle and friendly with other friends? Share some of their fun martial arts matches. And here it is, two cats rushing to each other like two foxes. The jump is precise, the front paws strike, the hind paws maintain a defensive stance. The meow echoes like the cheers of the audience. One unforgiving battle. The two cats face each other, their backs arched like a bow ready to spring. The growl is tense like a duel before a great battle. Who will strike first? The audience holds their breath, waiting for the next action.
The funniest moment is still ahead. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it.
On the green grass, two cats rushed at each other like heavy wrestlers. Cat A locked Cat B's legs. Cat B counterattacked with a strategic swing of its tail. Both rolled around, grass flying in all directions. This must be it. Definitely the most dramatic match. Looking at the cats wrestling with each other is both thrilling and funny. Probably practicing cat martial arts to keep in shape, but later they will hug each other and or do you just like to lie around and enjoy life? Looking at the cats growling at each other makes me feel tense, but also funny. They're probably fighting over territory or something they love. Does your cat often growl at other cats? Or is it a friendly type? Elegant, loving cats? Tell stories about times when they fight that make you can't help but laugh.
Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
The battle broke out right in the middle of the living room. Two cats entangled each other, rolled across the carpet, slid into the sofa. Purring sounds echoed, and a few more pushed down the bars. A fierce struggle made the whole house angry. Wobbling, two cats rushed at each other, true warriors. Their pounces were as fast as lightning, their claws were flying, their tails were waving powerfully. The meow sounded like a war drum. The whole room became an arena. Suffocation. Tense battle between two cats. Sharp corners in his eyes, each move feels like a fatal blow. But they never give up. Their moves are full of tactics. Who will be the winner in this battle? A dramatic battle is taking place on the roof. The orange cat and the black cat rush at each other. Their claws are as sharp as razors. Each jump and pounce is full of power. Both are like warriors vying for the throne at the top. High, no one gives in to anyone. The merciless battle on the desk. Three cats rushed at each other. Sharp claws swung pens and papers flying everywhere. All three were like warriors fighting for territory, making the entire office space. On a deserted road, two cats hugged each other tightly, rolling around like professional boxers. Tails entwined, claws swinging wildly, creating a dramatic rolling performance. Just like that, the two constantly struggled, making passers-by unable to take their eyes off. The battle between black cats and white cats goes on non-stop. The two cats hug each other tightly, rolling around like a curled ball of fur. Claws swing wildly, like one the high-altitude battle between an orange cat and a black cat. Both rushed at each other, claws as sharp as knives, fighting dramatically on tree branches. The branches shook. And then the cat growled, a thunderous growl resounding in the air. Forelegs stretched out, eyes shining, and immediately after, a powerful lunge. The two clashed, claws and teeth.
Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
The cat growled like thunder. Its fur stood up, its eyes focused. The whole body was tense like a string, preparing for a powerful charge. This is not just a fight, but a match. Life and death in this noble land. The fighting cat rolled around in the snow like two super warriors, snow stains on its white fur.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to give me more motivation to create more adorable content. Which moment made you laugh the most? Comment below so we can laugh together again. And make sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss the next hilarious cat videos.